How to track SLA on issues blocking your main ticket? Let's find out. This video is part of our effort to deliver high-quality learning materials in terms of Jira, Confluence, and their apps. And if you want to support this effort, consider subscribing, and also you can always reach out to us for paid services, which we do offer in this area. All the links are in the description of this video. And now back to our question: how to track SLA for tickets that are blocking your main tickets that you're already tracking the SLA for. And this question will be answered in the environment of Time to SLA app. So we actually got this question from one of our customers. They came to us and they said, look, we are tracking SLA on our tickets, and these tickets are in a certain project, but sometimes those tickets get blocked by other projects because of reasons, things happen. And now we don't want to normally track SLAs in those other projects as well. They are about something else. They are not about the SLA and time delivery when it comes to the customer contact. But when a thing like this happens, so the ticket that is SLA bound has suddenly been blocked by something else, we want this to become visible on that other ticket so that people working on it can actually see that if they are late, it will impact the end delivery of or the end date of solving a certain problem, which is important on the customer side and for the customer support. So how do we do that? Can you customize the system for us so that we can have this functionality? And silly us, instead of customizing their system, we told them that this functionality is actually already available in the tools that they currently have. That's probably not the best way of doing business, but that is our way. Don't screw the customer. So I'll show you how to do it. Let's take a look at the screen. So this is a ticket that I will use as a main ticket. And as you can see, it has the SLA panel over here with SLA displayed. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect another ticket to it. So let's take link issues, and I'm going to say that this ticket is blocked by another ticket. And I'll say, let's pick BigPicture TV. That's the one I've been playing with recently. So BigPicture ticket number 1, just any kind of ticket really from another project will serve here as an example. So let's do this. There you go. The ticket has been created and has been, connected. It has been connected, and we can see that this issue is now blocked by BPTV1. Let's go to the other side of this link and have a look at this ticket. So over here, we can clearly see now that there is a panel available for this ticket, and the data for this panel is the same as the data on the previous ticket. So if I go back to the previous ticket, so this ticket blocks TT SLA2. If I go over here, you will see that the data on the SLA panel displayed over here is exactly the same. And this is what we wanted. Now, let's of course take a look at the configuration side to understand where is this coming from. So what you have to do is go to Time to SLA, and on the level of your SLA configuration, so this section over here, and then there is only one SLA over here for the simplicity of your understanding. Let's go to the edit of this SLA, and you will be able to see over here that first of all, let's look at this. So by the way, those fields don't have to be filled, all of them. You can just use one, but I'm using all 3 over here. And I'm saying, okay, I want to play around in this project, but I'm also narrowing down the scope to only stories, user stories, right? So I'm actually displaying the SLA only on the level of the user stories. But this is not the setting that we are very interested in. I just wanted to mention it over here so that you can see that even though the different project is not mentioned on the list, in the GQL over here, it's just the same project as up here, it still can display the SLA. So that's exactly what we wanted. But the setting responsible for showing this is over here. Share this SLA on linked issues. Okay, and now which linked issues? Well, the issues linked by a specific link, and you have to be specific over here and say exactly what type of the link and actually which direction of the link as well you want to use to be able to display this additional panel on the other end of the link, so to say. Okay, so that's exactly where you set it. And if you set it properly, you will achieve exactly the result that I've shown you earlier in this video. So that's pretty cool, I think. And it's like a few clicks and you have it ready. And then it tremendously impacts the understanding of the seriousness of some of the tickets that you have in your system. And of course, thanks to this, it speeds up the process of clearing out those that actually need to be done as the highest priority. So of course you can do it with priorities as well, but just having this visual impact that the people can actually go and see exactly how much time is left to solve this will help you probably get it done faster. But also what we found out that is like kind of normal, I think, is that it helps in communication, which is also super important because clear communication is one of the most important parts of the project management in general. So if someone is not going to make things in time but has this information and sees the importance and can then communicate, look, this is not going to be ready, maybe we should try to communicate to the end party, the partner, the customer, and make them aware that there's going to be a half-day delay at least. It also helps, just even if you're not able to deliver, but you're able to communicate it, it's still something, and it's better than nothing. So this is what I had for you in this video. If this has been helpful, consider giving this video a like and posting a comment so that other people can find it more easily. Of course, you can also reach out to us for services training of this amazing tool, Time to SLA, that allows you to track the SLAs without the Jira service management system on the sideways of your Jira core or Jira software. So that's pretty awesome, pretty amazing. And of course, if you want to also subscribe to the channel for more content related to Jira apps, Confluence apps, and Jira and Confluence themselves, feel free to do that. And all of you, thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you in one of the next videos.